We're working on a 2009 Thomas Pusher with a Cummins ISC. We're changing the engine fan. A shortcut, get it on the hoist. Makes it much easier. Remove the frame support to the rear of the rad. And the fan blade comes off the hydraulic motor. It's the Parker fan drive system. It just slides down the bottom and saves a lot of time. And if you have a hoist, definitely use it for this job. The other way is takes twice as long. And the rad core, make sure it's steamed out. We've had problems overheating. When the ambient temperature gets up there, it definitely the problem develops. And it makes a big difference keeping the cores clean. We've got charge air cooler as well, and a power steering cooler. So lots of resistance to flow there.